Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Roblox account. This will help you to secure your account by adding this extra layer of security. To do so, it's pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to get started, head to this more option and then from this scroll down until you see settings. Under settings, go ahead and choose this option called security. Here you'll see we have this two-step verification and currently I have none. So go ahead and choose any of the combination you wish to use for your two-factor authentication. Among the choices, you can go ahead and choose to receive unique security codes on your specific email. You can also add Authenticator app, that is download an app on your phone to generate unique security code. It's still an option. You can also use the hardware security keys to authenticate your app each and every time you log in. So you can use a combination of this to receive passkeys just to add a layer of security apart from your password. So that's how you can add a two-factor authentication on your Roblox account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.